What's your name and what do you do for a living?
I'm Michael Stranowski. I'm a physical education teacher at Addison High School.
Hey! My name's Dave Stranowski. Right now I'm between jobs, but I do stuff. I'm Mr. Mom, but we don't have any kids.
Mike and you are brothers?
Yeah, we're brothers. You should guess which one's adopted.
Where'd you get the idea for this?
I've never been much of an ice cream guy. I've always just been a sausage guy.
I think if we could get people to associate those songs, like Pop Goes the Weasel or whatever, with sausage, it'd be really cool.
I knew if I didn't help, it'd never leave the driveway.
So we bought the truck.
It was advertised as $1,300, but when we got there, the guy said it was $1,600.
16.
Write him a check.
Check. No check. Cash.
That was an experience. Kristen's gonna be really excited.
What the is that?
It's the sausage truck, huh?
He's always up to something, and it's usually stupid.
Watch out for the exhaust system.
Got it.
No, watch out.
Where's the speaker? It's up there.
Very good. Okay.
You gotta use a lot of fluid. The fire is thirsty. You, sir, would you like a sausage? Yes. Let us quench your hunger.
Johnsonville sausages.
With meat.
Yeah, I really got into that megahorn thing.
Beep, boop, boop.
Watch those PSIs.
So why grilled?
Well, a sausage is not a sausage unless it's got that fresh, off the grill taste. And besides, we have a really awesome ventilation system.
What's happening? It's the ventilation system. We're gonna die in here.
We had to run pretty fast. I always run fast.
Let us know. We gotta get out of here. Oh, God!
Yeah. I didn't think it was gonna end up that way.
In the end, I think we made a lot of people happy.
This is what life is all about.